Hello everyone and welcome to the next video on our YouTube channel regarding the UGEE 2026 exam, right? So exam is much closer. Now let's look at the strategy that you will be discussing, you will be focusing on during your exam while in the hall, right? Basic things you might know that 3 घंटे का paper होता है, it has 2 sections, SUPR and REAP. We have repeated it multiple times. Now we will move on to the next things. So regarding the battlefield for your UGEE 2026 exam, there are 4 things that are being given. First thing is 5 option threat. Questions may feature 5 options instead of standard 4. जैसे JEE में you have 4 options, in UGEE multiple years they have given the 5 option for an question. So make sure this is what something you can face. You don't need to worry because whatever the mock test that you have given at IIITprep, we have already made 4 mock tests intentionally which has 4 option and rest of the mock test intentionally as the 5 option per question. So you don't need to worry regarding that, but make sure those who haven't attempted or who is not aware about UGEE a lot, you might be shocked by seeing this 5 option. Okay, so when there are 5 options, the chances of selecting the right answer decreases as it already is having the negative marking. So please make sure you treat it seriously. The next thing is 1 hour benchmark as a baseline. The SUPR section within the 60 minutes, because you will not get time to shift. After shifting to the REAP section, you will not be able to come back to the SUPR section. So please make sure you handle the SUPR within the first 60 minutes. And very much important thing that REAP is something that you get 2 hours and that is really sufficient amount of time. All the students who are going to give UGEE 2026 exam, after the exam that they will realize that they were having around 10 to 15 extra minutes for the REAP section. So the thing that you need to learn from that is very, very important, that SUPR is something that you need to try, you need to speed up. But in REAP, you need to speed up the accuracy because negative marking is also higher in the REAP. So REAP is for your accuracy, whereas SUPR is for your speed. So please make sure you have to change, you have to transition your mindset during the exam. Then the next thing is linguistics trap. This is very much important. Read instruction properly. What are the instructions are given? Let's suppose the question is having some wording, some translation in linguistics, it is in uppercase or lowercase, right? Whatever the answer that you are going to write, make sure you follow that uppercase and lowercase, considering the instruction, what the instructions are saying. The answer has to be all in uppercase, the answer has to be in lowercase. If nothing is mentioned, then it's always best to follow all the uppercase and lowercase scenario, because you never know how the answers are going to check. There is no partial marking, right? If something is correct, you will get some partial mark. No, if answer is correct, you will get 4 marks, else you will get negative marks completely. So make sure to read the instructions properly. Instructions are very, very much important for the linguistics, right? Solving question, getting the answer correct doesn't make any sense unless you read the instruction. Instruction can't be follow this pattern while writing your answer. If it is a match the pair answer type, then it's quite easy. But what if it is not? Then so in that case, this is very much important that you have to read the instruction. Then the next thing is pattern anomalies. Be prepared for the unexpected format. This is what UGEE exam is known for. This is what IIIT Hyderabad is known for. IIIT prep team has been trying much more. We had tried a number of things, bringing a number of new topics into the crash course, into the PDF, into the books, trying to make sure that there is content for the exam. Their students should be they should be able to think beyond the JEE topics. This is what was the ideology of IIIT prep. We tried our best, but still make sure that you might get some unexpected format or unexpected question in your final exam. Okay, so these are the few things for your battlefield for your UGEE 2026 exam. The same thing we have mentioned here, the exam pattern may change, right? The exam pattern may change. The crash course students are already prepared in such a way, because if you'll see, there are DPPs which are provided in form of quizzes into the crash course. Intentionally, we have put few other topic questions because we want that you should be prepared for those. Whenever some random question is bombarded on you from outside of the topic that we haven't taught, you should be able to cope up with it. So make sure we have prepared. So please be confident during your exam and have this in your mind that paper pattern may change. You don't need to panic, because if it is changing, it is changing for all the students, right? So cutoff will decrease, so you don't need to worry regarding that thing. This is already we have discussed that new type of question can be there, 5 option ho sakte. New type of question as in there can be a subjective question, there can be anything, you never know. That's what IIIT Hyderabad is. Read the instruction. This is we already discussed, because there is no partial but there is negative marking. So it's always better to read the instruction. Now let's talk about the SUPR. SUPR thing we already have discussed that in REAP you will get decent amount of time, but in SUPR you will not get decent amount of time. So SUPR is something you have to think out of the accuracy. The cutoff is less. Last year it was 12.75. The cutoff is always less in SUPR. So you have to do one thing. Whenever you are going to try to solve a question, let's suppose there are 40 questions in the exam. Most of the cases 40 questions are coming in the recent year. Let's suppose in SUPR you have 40 questions. Make sure you see that question and you decide whether to attempt this question or not. It's not like you have to attempt all the 40 questions in SUPR. There's no benefit at all. You don't need to solve all the questions. The next thing is you need to solve the questions which are solvable. This is the skill that you need to gain. And I hope that from the mock test of UGEE, the IIITprep mocks and the quizzes, you have got this skill that, hey, this question I should be attempting, this question I should be skipping for the last, right? If I got time, then I will do, else no worry. Because the student who is scoring SUPR ka cutoff, let's suppose 12.75 was there. Let's suppose the student is scoring 13 marks in SUPR, whereas the student score in 29 in SUPR. Both are considered same. There is no difference. There is no difference at all. So please make sure that SUPR is something that you are trying to do just to boost your score. Your objective should be, I will be solving the questions which looks easy, which are easy, right? This is the thing that you need to finalize when you are going to solve a question, right? You have to mentally decide this question is going to take a longer time or lesser time. If it is going to take a longer time, keep it aside, do it in the last, because SUPR has a 1 hour only, so time is less, number of questions is more. So it should not be like you are solving the difficult question first and the questions which were easy you left it and the time got over. So that should not be the case. That should not happen. We already discussed. Now this is the attempting strategy that we have discussed. That is the solution obvious, then पहले attempt में उसको कर लो. If not requires medium thought, उसको mark करके return कर लो. और बहुत ही tough है तो इसको सबके last के लिए छोड़ दो अगर time बचता है. So this is mostly for your SUPR that you can have a look onto. Take a screenshot. This must be helpful. ये बहुत helpful रहेगा आपके लिए. REAP precision over speed, because REAP में negative marking ज़्यादा है, -0.5 की negative marking होती है और numbers भी ज़्यादा है, right? So इसमें speed का आपको दिक्कत नहीं होगी. You'll never face the speed. Assume patterns too quickly based on the visual. IIIT Hyderabad will try to trick you in the questions, in the visual. At some stage you don't need to get tricked. Don't assume that this easy the IIIT will loss. No, please give a second thought in REAP, mostly in REAP, because you have good amount of time, you can give time to think. Overconfidence. REAPs look easy but demands hype. REAP में आपको ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में नहीं जाना है. दिस इज अ वेरी 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 मच इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू गाइज. आफ्टर दैट, एनालाइज एंड रीड द फिगर्स प्रॉपरली. Check all the logical option before locking an answer. Because of negative marking, -0.5 की negative marking is very very important. जैसे मान लो 65.5 का कट ऑफ था and you scored 65 marks. 0.5 a question, negative question जो आपका negative है, this has stopped your selection. So please make sure, this is very much important thing in REAP. You don't need to prioritize on the speed, you need to prioritize on precision. Then पैटर्न को अज्यूम नहीं करना है, कॉन्फिडेंस में, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में नहीं जाना है. आई एग्री, आपने IIIT प्रेप के क्रैश कोर्स में थे, मॉक टेस्ट आपने अटेम्प्ट करी, DPP क्विज़ेस अटेम्प्ट करी, रिवीजन लेक्चर सब कुछ देख लिया, बट प्लीज़ डोंट गो इन ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस. REAP में आपको बहुत सफिशिएंट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम है, कामली पेपर को सॉल्व करना है. ओके, रीड एंड एनालाइज फिगर्स, ये तो अपन ने डिस्कस कर लिया सारा. 5 गोल्डन रूल्स ऑफ UGEE 2026. डोंट गेट स्टक. दिस इज फॉर योर SUPR. स्टक नहीं होना है. अगर लग रहा है छोड़ दो, आगे बाद में देखेंगे. देन स्कीप स्मार्टली. 3 पास एल्गोरिदम जो अपन ने डिस्कस किया है पहले अभी इसी लेक्चर में, जहाँ पे हमने बोला था कि स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेते. दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू डू, कि आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन को स्किप करना है इंटेंशनली. मेंटेन स्टडी स्पीड. SUPR वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्रोटेक्ट द बफर. ऑलवेज सेव द फाइनल 10-15 एंड दिस इज व्हाट विल से, ये आपको 10-15 मिनट्स REAP में मिलेंगे ही. तो ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स आपको REAP में 10-15 मिनट्स मिलेंगे ही. दिस इज गारंटीड, बिकॉज पेपर में आपको 2 घंटा है, टोटल क्वेश्चन 50 ही है. सो यू हैव डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. ओके, सो मेक श्योर दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू बॉर्डर यू एट ऑल. Then stay calm and cool. Execute the strategy and ignore the room. Don't think of all the students. देखो सबके कट ऑफ पेपर डिफिकल्ट आता है, सबके कट ऑफ नीचे जाएंगे, सब बच्चों के नंबर कम आएंगे. सो यू डोंट नीड टू थिंक ऑन ऑल दोज थिंग्स कि पेपर डिफिकल्ट आया, नो हाउ द थिंग्स विल हैपन, मेरे नंबर कैसे आएंगे, कट ऑफ क्लियर होंगे. नो, जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर एग्जाम. यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड. आपने 2 महीने, कुछ बच्चों ने 1 महीना, कुछ बच्चों ने 15 दिन. दे हैव प्रिपेयर्ड वेरी सीरियसली. आपने बहुत एफर्ट अच्छे डाले हैं. प्लीज़ ट्रस्ट योर प्रोसेस, ट्रस्ट द गॉड, एंड आप एग्जाम को अपियर करिए. एंड दैट्स इट. एंड आफ्टर द एग्जाम प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट हमारे वेबसाइट पे एक गूगल फॉर्म रिलीज़ किया जाएगा हमारे वेबसाइट पे. एंड हमारे टेलीग्राम अकाउंट जो है, द मोबाइल नंबर इज 78723489444. हमारे वेबसाइट पे विल रिलीज अ स्पेशल नोटिफिकेशन फॉर द UGEE 2026 क्वेश्चन पेपर. सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर यू शेयर वॉट एवर द क्वेश्चन पेपर्स, जो आपको क्वेश्चन याद रहते हैं वो मेमोरी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर हमारी टीम के साथ आप शेयर करना आफ्टर द एग्जाम, सो दैट हमारी टीम उसको रिफाइन करके एक नया क्वेश्चन पेपर एंड फ्यू यूट्यूब वीडियोज ऑन द चैनल ला सके, लाइक एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ हो गया, क्वेश्चन पेपर का डिस्कशन हो गया, सोल्यूशन हो गया. सो फॉर दैट प्लीज़ मेक श्योर यू सेंड द क्वेश्चन टू आवर email ID support@IIITprep.com. कैसे भी, लाइक आप पेपर पे लिख के भी भेज सकते हो. वॉट एवर यू फील द बेस्ट, यू कैन सेंड ऑल दोज क्वेश्चंस टू आवर टीम एंड दे विल गाइड यू. सो दैट्स इट. आपने बहुत मेहनत करी है बच्चों, जस्ट फोकस करिए एंड मेक श्योर पेपर पैटर्न कभी भी चेंज हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. IIIT हैदराबाद इज नोन फॉर ऑल दोज थिंग्स. ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस, ट्रस्ट द गॉड, ट्रस्ट ऑन योर सेल्फ, योर हार्ड वर्क, योर एफर्ट्स, योर सिंसियर एफर्ट्स, एंड दैट्स इट. लेट्स क्रैक IIIT Hyderabad this year too. Thank you. Bye bye.